Alright guys, ToHockey back here. So I think I made an executive decision. We'll do the Series 1 second, and then we'll do the last artifacts box. Save that for the end. So we didn't hit not too bad of a last box. I mean, Shea Weber, Drew Doughty, Stamkos Tundra Tandems, Artifacts Matt Duchene. So that's not too bad. Let's see what we can get out of this. Base. Brandon Yip. Young Guns. Base. Base. Alright, Camilleri, Colton, base. All base. Alright. So if we run some box breaks, what would you guys be interested in? Let me know in the comments, alright guys? I'm interested in helping everybody get some great cards and let me open some boxes. So we got Jamie Langenbrunner, Retro. And more base. Base. Steve Yzerman, Hockey Heroes, HH7. I have to look how many cards are in that set. Probably have the whole set by now. Base. Jordan Caron, Boston Bruins Young Gun. Not the right Boston Bruin, but it's okay. So let's see, what could we pull here that would be nice? Broder Missing Link. That would be the way to go. Or an acetate die cut card. There we go. Let's hope for one of those. I love pulling hard to pull cards. Base. Zach Hamill. Young Guns. Another Bruins. Still the wrong one. More base. Hockey Heroes, Steve Yzerman, base, Bryan Little. Retro, their 20th anniversary. Some more base. Still no jerseys yet. So, alright, space. New Jersey. Base. base. Alexander Burmistrov, Young Guns. Base. More base. Lots of base. Base. Alright. So that's half a box. Let's see. Hopefully we can save the break with the second half. Base. Bryan Elliot, 20th anniversary. Base. As always, most of these will end up on eBay. So if you guys want to check out our eBay, it's to-hockey.com. I mean, to-hockey on eBay. That's where you can find all of our auctions. Let's check back. Joe Thornton, all-world team for Team Canada, obviously. Still no jerseys. What are we gonna do? Maybe pull a patch. Young Guns Fowler. It's not a bad card. There's one jersey. Paul Stastny. Blue jersey swatch. Don't know if I'm a fan of the circular swatch windows. I much prefer square ones or something a little bit bigger. What do you guys think? It's my only gripe with the upcoming release of Crown Royal. There we go. Carey Price, 20th anniversary. And another one of those checklists with the flyers on it. Alright. Getting down there. Base. There we go, we got a gold one. Matt Duchene, UD exclusives, 44 out of 100. It's not a bad UD exclusives to hit. Last 6 packs. Let's bless these packs. Base. Tyler Kennedy, 20th anniversary. More base. So we need one more jersey. Base. All-world team, Henrik Zetterberg. Some more base. Battery's flashing on me. Gotta pick it up. Base. Young Guns, Maxim Noreau. Here's our other jersey. Base. We got Shea Weber. Game jersey. More base. 2 packs to go. Alright, we got the Blackhawks checklist. Base. Last pack, guys. Break saver, probably not. And Niclas Bergfors 20th anniversary. So overall, not the best box. Typical of a Series 1. But anyways, thanks guys.